check out this view from this bedroom. This is one of the bedrooms, and it's just beautiful. So you check it out. It's just amazing. This is the other bedroom. Same deal, amazing views. And check out the lights. This is how beautiful they work. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? See? Oh, I think it looks amazing, beautiful. Look, got the light right there too. It's full of details. It's just beautiful. And check out the switch right here, so you can turn everything on and off. See, turning it off. Right here we have this office studio, which is great. And look at this. This is what I was telling you about. It's just beautiful. Look at the space. Beautiful, nicely done. This is actually the penthouse in this unit. This is called an area called Padre Marianito, which is amazing. We're right on top of everything. Look at that. That's the southeast. Palmas is right there. You can actually see it from here. Very close to everything. It's right there. Those are Palmas. So, hey, check it out. Look at this beautiful barbecue. Beautiful barbecue. Today, unfortunately, we're gonna have that nice of an afternoon, but and when we go to the second floor, look what we're gonna find. Beautiful spaces. Check out this amazing, amazing studio, library, TV room, and right here we find this is right here. We have the jacuzzi, and we have this terrace right here to enjoy all that. Check it out. If you want to see more properties, like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think about this property, and check out the common areas in this building. They're amazing. Wicked pool right there. We're actually not gonna get in here though because there's kids in there and we don't want to bug them though. But right here we have a playroom, pool right here, and it's just gonna start raining right now. And the building, check it out. It's great right now, but so this is the playroom right here. See, you can see the playroom right here. And which is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful foyer now on Christmas decoration. Yes, gorgeous. Right here is the gym. It's amazing. This is actually a very complete unit. So for more information about this amazing, amazing condo with this, it's just great. Let me know what you think. This is luxury in Medellin, realestatemedellin.info. Look at this other property right here. Look at this other property right here. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video.